Happy good morning! Are you all out of craft supplies? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer out of sticks, twigs, and pine cones, along with the help of some items from around the house. This is part 3 of a 10-part series. You can watch the full video here or watch them each individually. Check out the links below for more cheap, simple, and easy to make reindeer crafts. Okay, Sunny, what do you have in mind next?
1 second. I'll be right back.
Did you just go outside and get these things?
Uh-huh.
What is on this branch?
It's lichen.
Can we use a branch with less lichen on it for this next craft?
Sure.
Alright, much better. Thank you, Sunny. Let's get started. I used a mini saw to cut the branches. Next, I painted glue onto the ends of each small stick and pine cone. And with the power of the magical flying reindeer dust, my sticks and pine cones have been sprinkled with glitter. I used tiny branches to make the antlers. Once they were all glued, I used puffy white paint on the reindeer's antlers and nose. Let's add some shimmery white glitter with the help from the magical reindeer, and we've got a cool snow-covered look. I did the same thing to the larger branch that will be the reindeer's back. When gluing on the legs, neck, and head, use a lot of patience. You have to hold these in place until the glue is completely dry. Glue a sprig of lichen for the reindeer's tail. Hey Sunny, what's that?
Reindeer lichen.
Reindeer lichen? I thought reindeer liked carrots.
They do, but their favorite food is reindeer lichen. I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, you probably shouldn't eat reindeer lichen unless you're a reindeer. Sunny, what's wrong?
I don't liken it very much.
Oh no, poor Sunny. Well, I hope Sunny feels better. I used a piece of silver ribbon as a scarf and glued the pine cones on to look like little golden bells. Wow, Prancer sure does look proud in his frosty winter look.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy...
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming Christmas, and I'll see you again for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!